Hello friends, welcome back. So let's construct some interesting 3D models with the help of already available 3D objects with Vectory tool. The basics of Vectory tool we have already covered in the previous video. The link is given in the description box, and as we have already discussed, we need not to download anything for this tool. We can simply open www.vectory.com or app.vectory.com to use this tool, and we can simply sign up with our Google account. So I am going to open the dashboard, means where we can see the list of our projects. So for this video I have created, means I am already having the account with the vectory.com, but the free version is having a limit of 25 projects and my limit was exceeded. That's why I have created a new sign up for this video. Okay, so you can, after 25 projects you are not able to create new projects, but yes, you can modify the existing projects. Okay, so with existing project you have the various options, like here you can create a duplicate project, means if you want to copy a project, then you can simply choose the duplicate option and it will create a new project with the same objects. Then you can modify the new project, and you also have the option to rename a project, delete a project and copy a link. So in a total, means if you are deleting a project, it will not be counted, means in a total you can construct only 25 projects with the free version. After that you need to go with the beta version, or the premium version, where you can have the monthly package or the annual package. So let's construct a new project. And continue with the beta version. Here are the templates, but I am going to use a blank template. After limit exceed, you can modify the existing project, but you cannot construct new project. So remember this thing. So I am going to add a new object like this. Then we will be adding the built-in objects, means already available objects with this tool from this workspace. So let's change its color for more visibility. Now we can sharpen the edges, or we can also resize it for inner radius and outer radius. So these dots are guiding you to resize your object. So here this is for the inner radius and this is for the outer radius. Okay, and this corner dot is representing the edges shape, means you can turn your edges to curved, or you can sharpen your edges with this dot. Okay, so I am going to curve my edges. This is our final version, and we can resize our object with the help of these square dots, and we can move our object in 3 dimension, mean x, y and z, with the help of these 3 arrows. So this is our x dimension, this is our z, and this is our y. So you can move them in any dimension. Here I am moving it with the help of these arrows. So let's now add some built-in object with this tool. So here is the workspace, where you can see a list of objects that you can add to your project. You can get a list of many interesting objects, that 3D objects that you can directly add to your project. Okay, here is the list. And second option is, you can always search for a object, like I want to add a table, then I can simply perform a search and we will get the related object listed in the workspace. Suppose I am adding this table to our workspace. It would take some time to load. So now the table is inserted right to the center of the workspace. So I can move it to the desired position, like here I want to place it beside our previous object. I can also reposition our object accordingly. So this is the final position. Let's resize it to some smaller size. Okay, move it a bit closer. Now you can check they are placed parallelly to each other. Done. Now next I want to add a laptop. So let's search for the laptop, and here we got the similar objects. So let's choose this one. So by the time it is loaded, we can also search for next object that we want to add to our workspace. So here laptop is inserted. Now I want to search for a mug that we can place on the table. So let's add this mug to our workspace. By the time it is loading, we can resize the laptop and can adjust its position. So as you can see from different view, mug is also here. So let's take the mug first and resize it to our desired position and size. Now I want to place it just above the table, but before that I want to rotate it. So you can use these circles, you can see these circles to rotate your object to 360 degree. Okay, so this is our desired position, we can say that, desired size. Now we want to move it to the just above the table. We want to place the mug above the table. Just hold the mouse, left mouse button, and you can check and you can rotate your project to different dimensions. So let's quickly adjust the position of the mug. The desired position is on the table. Done. It is somewhat inserted to the table, so just drag it up. Done. Next we can resize the laptop using these square dots, and let's reposition it. And before that I want to rotate it for our according to our project. So let's move it just above the table. So laptop is now on the table, or we can say that inserted in the table. So we need to just lift it up. Done. Okay, so the laptop is added. Now we want to add some interesting models to make our project attractive. This time we are going to add some show plants. So you have the list of related models. So let's add this to our project. Let's resize it according to your model, and just I am going to put it inside this tube. You can see it is getting inside the tube. Done. Okay, I hope this is looking cool. So let's add some ball, or you can add any interesting object for your project. So here I am going to add this basketball to our project. Resize it, and you can reposition it according to your okay. So I am pushing it just close to the table because this is the way I like it. You can reposition it according to your choice. Now let's add some more interesting project object, like I want to add I want to add some astronaut, or you can add any interesting project. So let's add this astronaut. Okay, this is added. And I want to add one more object as this rocket. So in this way you can add the object of your choice, and you can build very interesting projects with 3D models, and you can also download the image for different views, as we have already done in the previous video. So here this rocket is added to our workspace. You can simply rotate and adjust its position. So here I want to place it here, and after that you can download the view. Means by downloading means you can download the image of any view by clicking on this icon. So here I am going to download the image for this particular view, as we have already done in the previous videos as well. So this is our final view. Okay, so likewise you can construct different interesting model with the help of available objects, 3D objects. So that's it for this video. Hope you learned something. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.